everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and I have got the Asos box for August, and it's a collaboration box which I predicted last month. If you watched my last month's video you will know, and this is with the beauty brand Ouai. So I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but a lot of timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward if you just want to get on to me unboxing the products. So Asos do monthly beauty boxes, and they've been doing so for around 2 years or more now, and I've been getting them from pretty much the beginning. So I have a huge back playlist of Asos boxes. I absolutely love it. I love it because you get to see the items that are inside the box. There's no commitments. You just need to set up an account with Asos, and if you want the box you can buy it, and if not, well, you don't have to. The cost of the box is £12. They bring out collaboration boxes on average every 3-4 months, something like that. That's why I predicted one last month. It's like, well, we haven't had one in ages, and yeah, funny enough, we got one this month. There's shipping on top of that unless you spend over a certain amount on their website, or you can do what I do. I pay for yearly free next day delivery, and it cost me £9.99 a year, and they did have a discount recently for £6.99 a year. So if that is still running, I'll pop that down below in my description. Now, there's no particular date that they release these boxes. Up until a couple of months ago, it's pretty much on the 1st of every month. But then things changed, more so last month, where we all thought that we weren't getting a box, and we were all like shocked. Where on earth is the Asos box? What is happening? Someone even asked Asos on Twitter, are we having a July box? And Asos replied saying no, but they will look into it in the future, or something along the lines of that anyway. So we all thought, right, there's no Asos boxes anymore. They released a men's grooming one in July, but not their normal monthly beauty box. But anyway, roll on a couple of weeks and they did release a box out of the blue. So I used to be on the website, oh my gosh, nearly every half an hour on the 1st of the month, making sure, you know, I don't want to miss it, because as soon as I find out that they've released the box, I buy one for myself, and then I add all links and everything to my Facebook page and my Instagram page, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek. Plus I started doing it on my community tab on my YouTube, so that you all get a chance to have a look at it and see if it's a box for you, because they sell out super quickly, and I believe this is already sold out, unfortunately. All the items that are featured in the boxes you can buy off the Asos website. You do get a mix of full-size minis and samples, and there's a monthly theme as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. I'll pop all links and everything related to this box down in my description. So underneath this video you see show more. If you click that, that will bring up my description, and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. So we've got a little card here, and it just tells you a little bit about the theme and the products in the box. I'll give you a sneak peek first, without it all falling out. So going back to the card, it says this month's Asos box is all about Ouai, the hair, body and fragrance brand by celebrity hairstylist Jen Atkin. With a bounty of hair and body care treats designed to pamper, maintain and style, we're saying yes Ouai to next level pampering. So the first item in the box, it says kicking off is the Scalp and Body Scrub, designed to be used once a week. The foam and sugar crystal ingredients get to work exfoliating, cleansing and softening the skin and scalp, while probiotics help boost the skin's natural defenses. So we've got 30 grams here. This looks lovely. It just looks like yeah, just looks like sugar. Oh, smell. Oh, that is so nice, so nice. I just want to put my fingers in it. It reminds me of lip scrubs. That's what it reminds me of. I don't like scalp scrubs. They're just not for me. I just don't like it. I don't like the feel of it on my hair. I don't like trying to get it out of my hair. But for body, I'll use that as a body scrub, and yeah, I'm sure that'll be lovely. Next we got a body cream, and it says after a deep scrub it's always a good idea to rehydrate your skin, and Ouai's body cream has just the stuff. An indulgent velvety soft whipped texture, is full of hydrating capuacu butter, coconut oil and the antioxidant squalene, and there's 30 grams in there as well. Oh, again, the smell is so lovely. It is subtle, it's not really strongly fragrant, but it's just so fresh and nice. Oh, I love that. Let's try a little bit on my hand. I've put too much on now. Get it all mixed in with my rings. Oh, that feels lovely. Oh, that is so nice. That is really nice. I love the smell, and it just feels so soft. Wow, wow, wow. I'm showing you my hand. You're not going to notice no difference. I like that a lot. So we got a body cream. Next up, we've got a wave spray, and it says a weightless mist infused with rice protein that adds hold and texture for that straight from the beach finish. So we've got 30 mils there. I'll be passing that on to my daughter because I'd love to be able to use it, but my hair is so thin. It's so thin. Wave sprays don't really work on my hair. Sprays tend to make it look a bit straggly. Unless I've like tonged my hair so it's got a bit of a wave in it, then maybe, I don't know, spraying it into my hair and giving it a light sort of scrunch, then, you know, maybe it'll work that way. But my daughter's got really long, thick hair and she likes like the beachy wave look. So yeah, I'm more than likely going to give that to her. This is more for me. Texturizing Hairspray. It says, then there's the award-winning Texturizing Hairspray, which offers amazing volume while volcanic minerals within absorb oil for refresh locks in a fraction of the time we're sold. Wow. Okay, there's 40 grams there. It's like dry shampoo and hairspray has had a baby. This ultra lightweight hairspray that builds incredible volume and texture, packed with volcanic minerals to absorb oil and refresh hair. That sounds absolutely amazing. If any of you lot have tried this, let me know down below your thoughts about it. But yeah, instantly I'm thinking when I've waved my hair, when I've tonged it, that would be perfect to add volume and yeah, texture to my hair. So no, I'm really chuffed to that. And then lastly then, we've got two little perfume samples. It says, lastly, this amazing box includes 2 eau de parfums. It says the Melrose Place fragrance features bergamot, lychee, cedarwood and white musk. And the North Bondi is a fresh and beachy little number with notes of blackberry, amber, patchouli, lily and lots more. Oh my gosh, you sound gorgeous. Right, which one shall I do first? I'll do the beach one. Come on. Ah, here you go. Yeah, that is lovely. That is so nice. Oh, I wonder how long they last. Now on to Melrose Place. This is going to be fun, isn't it? It's all going to be mixed together. Oh, let's try. Oh, this one. I think I prefer that one. I'm going to have to try it on my wrist for a better sniff. See, that is nice. Was it Melrose Place? Melrose Place is lovely. See, that smells more like beachy for me. Oh, that is really nice. I'm going to have to spray the other one on my wrist. I'm just going to be blown away by fragrance, but I just want to compare. I prefer the Melrose Place than the beachy one. The beachy one's nice, but it reminds me of something. I can't think. No, I do. I really like that one. I wonder how much they are to buy if they're on the Asos website. I'll pop the links to them down below. But yeah, so those are all the items, so I'll just gather them all up. So these are all the items inside Asos's August box. It's a collaboration box with the brand Ouai, and we have got 2 little sample perfumes. We've got a texturizing hairspray, we've got a wave spray, we've got a body cream, and we've got a exfoliating scalp and body scrub as well. I do really like it. I thought it might be like full of hair care stuff, so I'm pleasantly surprised that we've got some beauty treats here as well, and some perfumes, which I never knew the brand did. So yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Did you get an Asos box, or are you watching this thinking, no, I'm glad I didn't get it, I'm glad it's sold out? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.